Hi guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be talking about how to save your color gradings. So this is actually a trick. I've known it for like about 2 weeks and I'm really excited to show you guys how to do it if you don't know how to do it. And this trick is very helpful for you when you are filming in the same setting as I will be doing. Right now I got the light behind me, I have this in the background and stuff like that. So this is very helpful if you're filming in the same exact positions with the same exact light. If you haven't done it already, click the like and subscribe to this channel for more future Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. So the first step is to open your Adobe Premiere Pro. I use the new version, the 2014. But I'm sure you can use the same trick as I do if you have a slightly older version. Before I show you this trick, I want to be very clear. This is not a video how to color grade. I'm gonna be showing you my color grade, but this is not a video how you do it. I'm sure there's a lot of other videos on YouTube how to color grade exactly like you want to. So this is a video only about how to save your color grading. So, as you can see, I have already recorded some material in S-Log3 and I have done that so I can easily show the difference when I have color graded my video. As you maybe already know, S-Log3 is a very flat profile, so there is no color on this material right now, but I'm gonna be showing you. So secondly, I'm gonna be color grading this material really quick. So I'm back and I'm happy with my color grading now. As you can see, this sequence is done and I'm actually ready to export it and upload it. So before I do that, I want to save this color grading so I can use it for another time. This is when the trick comes in. Right now I have my Lumetri color on the right, as you can see here. If you don't know how to get to that, you just go on Window, you click Lumetri color and it will automatically pop up here on your right. So when it's up here and I have done my color grading, I want to click on this little burger menu up here. When you have clicked on the burger menu, there will be a export.cube. This is the one you need to use. So click on that. You found a place where you want to have it saved. I can just name it kitchen recording because I'm recording in my kitchen now. So I just click save and that's it. So let me close this sequence and let me take my old flat S-Log3 material here. So the thing you have to do now is to go on creative, you click on look, browse, and then you have to find your kitchen recording. Obviously, you don't have to name it that, but that's what I have named it. So you click on kitchen recording, boom. Exactly the same as it was before. So this is very, very easy and saves a lot of time. I don't see why not using this method. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, this is my first of this kind of tutorials. Let me know if it was helpful. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more future material. But see you next video. Bye.